So this is day 3 of our 30-day English speaking challenge, and we talk about some techniques, some tips and some phrases how we can use and how we can improve our English speaking in our first and second video. So my name is Shafiq and this is day 3rd, in which we are going to talk about some techniques and some mistakes which is very common, we have to avoid. So technique means we are talking about some tips. What are the tips are important, and we are going to talk about the imitation, because if you are going to improve your English speaking, maybe you are following some English speakers and your goal, your aim is to become like that, like them. So what we have to do, we have to just imitate and repeat them. Because if I will say you, there was a person, he was speaking English so fluently, so confidently. So when I interacted with him, I was totally impressed because of his speaking, the way of speaking, he expressed the emotions, the thoughts, so everything. They has lots of vocabulary, they has the confidence, they has the many ways to express their emotions and the way. So I totally impressed, and I just make him my ideal. I think I have to become like this person. So what I have to do, just I have to copy that people, that person. So what we have to do, if we are following lots of speakers, just we have to repeat them, we have to copy them in initial level. If you are going to copy, you are going to pronounce the words how they are speaking, and how you are going to speak. From the zero level, we are going to do this. So we have to just notice people and just imitate like them. You are going to speak fluently. First, which is we have to just copy people. Whatever the speaker, whatever he is saying, the way he is saying, just we have to copy them. And the second thing, which is most of the cases, we just speak and some words we are doing some mistakes, basic mistakes. So what we have to do, we have to just write down our mistakes and we have to improve those mistakes. So we are going to grow in our life. Because there are two things. If someone is giving a feedback to you and you think this is a negative, it's not a good perspective. You have to just think, if someone is saying your pronunciation is not good, you have to work on your pronunciation. It's good feedback. We have to improve that feedback. It's not a criticize type of feedback. It's not a criticism. It's a feedback, constructive feedback. If we will take it as a positive feedback, we are going to improve our English speaking. We are going to improve in our life overall. But if someone is saying, you don't know what you are doing, why you are doing all these things, you don't know nothing, it's negative type of feedback. Because if someone is there and he is a valuable person, he is a knowledgeable person, he will not say you what you are doing, you are not going to do good. He will say how you can do good, what are the ways you can do more good work. He will suggest you the path, he will guide you the right thing. Like the other person said, your pronunciation is not good, you have to work on your pronunciation. And the second one is saying you don't know anything, what you are doing, nonsense. So you have to just avoid those people, because they are not doing anything in their life. so they are guiding like this. So just we have to work on our these things. Our we have to repeat, imitate the people, the speakers, and we have to find our small mistakes. We have to write down and we have to work on those mistakes, and we have to just take the bad the criticism and the constructive criticism and the bad type of feedback. We have to just aware about that things. So this was the day third, and I think you got some value. So keep watching, keep learning, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today, and we will meet in next video. So thanks for today.